If you're worried that your baby isn't getting enough milk, or you're unsure how to store it properly while keeping it as fresh as when it's pumped, then you've come to the right place. At the end of the video, there are some important questions that are mostly asked by our audience on YouTube, so make sure to watch it completely. Wash your hands first. Washing your hands before handling breast milk prevents harmful bacteria from contaminating the milk. Proper hygiene also helps preserve the milk's freshness and quality. Store at the back of the fridge. You should always store your breast milk at the back of the fridge because the temperature stays more stable there. Leave space at the top. You have to keep a free space at the top of the bottle or whatever you are going to use to store for your breast milk because it controls the expansion when freezing. If you're still watching this video, it means I'm adding value to your knowledge. But did you know that 90% of viewers haven't subscribed yet? Come on, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to keep us motivated and bring you even more helpful content. Freeze in small portion. Divide your milk into small bottles of some ounces to avoid wasting milk when you need a little at a time. Freezer-safe containers. When freezing breast milk, always use freezer-friendly bottles such as glass or BPA-free plastic containers with tight seals. Invest in appliance. You should invest in good appliances, like a thermometer, for your freezer and refrigerator so you can monitor their exact temperature readings. Label with date. You should clearly write the date on the bottle you are using so you can easily differentiate which one to use first.